Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris from New York, Westchester County. It's January 18th, 2018. And, I want to thank you for subbing. I want to thank you for viewing. I want to thank you for making me a part of your life. I really appreciate that. In between the classes that I put out there, I'm going to do some, just to keep you on your toes. This is going to have 3 questions to the topic, and I want to get your opinion about it. Yesterday was the new moon, and the new moon is when it's completely blacked out, and you can't see it. Should be there, but you can't see it. I tried to look for it myself. This is an experiment you can do right in your backyard. Get Google Sky out, and it'll tell you, where the amazing light show, where everything is, the constellations up there, and the so-called planets. We all know they're not. And it also tells you where the moon is supposed to be. Now, yesterday the moon, I believe, came over the horizon at about 6:35 in the morning here in New York, and went back over the horizon, or the plane, if you want to call it. I think at around like 7:10 or 7:15 in the PM hour. When I got home from work, where Google Sky said it was somewhere around like 3 o'clock in the sky, 4 o'clock in the sky, just right over the horizon. And I looked for it, and I can't find it. It's not there during the new moon period, during that cycle, the phases of the moon. Tonight's it's not going to be a good night tonight, because it's going to be at 1.9%, so you'll be able to see something. It'll be that little, crescent. But next month, try it. Now, the 3 questions I have are: why can't you see this, even though that it's blacked out? You should be able to see some sort of silhouette of it, some type of, ghost image, shall we say, or something. There should be something there, but there's not. I mean, what is this? The thing disappear and recharge itself? I don't know. I don't know what it does up there. When we were just learning about the flat Earth, we were brought to believe that now that was a solid object up there, and it emits its own light, which it most definitely does in all of the 3 questions that I have, absolutely. And it also emits coldness too. So my question, the number 1 question, is: if it's a solid object, why can't you see it up there when it's blacked out? 2, if it's a holographic image, which would explain a lot. Is it a holographic image? Then it would explain why the thing completely blacks out, completely disappears, because during the daytime moon you can see through it. And 3, if it's a simulation, well, the thing doesn't even exist up there. That would explain a little bit more to me too. So those are the 3 questions that I have. I want to see what you think about that, and try this experiment. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to do it until next month. I'll give you the exact date, but I don't know. Just go on to the phases of the moon. You'll find it. It's right there. All right. I think I've said most of the things I wanted to say.